Hello everyone, it's Adam here. We have our union rep helping out, making sure I keep on time. And we are going to be installing the side stand Enlarger for the R1250GS Adventure. There's our side stand, there's our Enlarger. We also have here a riser. This riser is meant to give you a little bit more of a lean upright, primarily if you have a bike that is typically set taller like I do. I have a larger rear shock on the bike, and so the riser is helpful for that. Let's get this out and I'll show you how it installs. One thing you'll notice with the hardware that comes with the side stand Enlarger, that is the length of the bolts. With the riser, the bolts are just a little bit longer. So basically these bolts that come with your riser replace the bolts that come with your side stand Enlarger. Now the way this is going to be installed is you're going to put the these T20s. These will go on top of the washers, which will go through these holes on top. And then the side stand Enlarger will sit on the bottom plate like this, and the side stand will go on top of this riser. Then you will do this on top of here like that, and then you will screw it down with the longer bolts. Now it is on, as you can see. And I haven't really, this is all hand tightened right now. You don't want to tighten one down super tight. You want to kind of do a turn on each of these until you get them all down. But make sure you like where it is. Make sure that you like when it comes back, how that fits. And then you can tighten all these down into the holes. And it's a T25, which is actually really nice. This is an upgrade over the previous ones that were, I think, like it's normal hex. But see, I'm just like turning a little bit on each one of these. Just making sure that you kind of get them a little bit tighter than a finger. But then you're going to work them out like that one by one, so they all get threaded enough without being too tight that they don't want to close up. As usual, I'll link all these tools in the description below. My Amazon tool page has all this Wera stuff, and I love it. And once you get them really nice and like all evenly, what you want to do is you want to bring this up in the up position and look on the bottom and make sure that you're happy with how far these are each threaded in. See how you can see those three but not those two? So you need to work on those two a little bit more to get them more threaded in on the top, so that these on the bottom aren't getting too tight with the ones on the top here, these two, so they won't come out. So you want to be able to see them all pretty evenly on the bottom.